Hey everyone, TechsIQ here. Welcome back to another video. Now, last week I did a video on a MiFi compatible controller for iOS 7, the SteelSeries Stratus. If you want to check that out, the link will be provided in the description below. And also, if you could click here, it will open in a new window, so don't worry. But the controller is great, but it's still $80 for something that only has one function. But there is an alternative, and that's the ps3 controller. Alright, there's a few things that we need before we get started, and that is a jailbroken iOS device. Now, I know that might be a deal breaker to some, but it is what it is. Next thing is, of course, a ps3 controller and an application on Cydia called Controller for All. It's the brain behind the whole thing. Once that is downloaded and installed, next thing we need to do is pair our controller with our iDevice. And to do that, we need an application. Link will be provided in the description. The application is available for both Mac and PC. I'm using the Mac version. It's really simple. All there is to it is to plug your iDevice, in my case the iPad 2, and your controller via USB to your computer. And once everything is connected, launch the application. It automatically recognizes the two devices, and all you do is just hit the pair button, and that's it. Once that's done, now it's time to go back to our iDevice. Go under settings and scroll down to BT stack, and under active Bluetooth stack, make sure you choose BT stack and make sure that check is there telling you that it did switch successfully. And that's basically it. Now just go back to your home screen and launch any compatible and any controller compatible games, and you'll be able to use your ps3 controller to control the game. Now every game that is MiFi compatible will be playable with the ps3 controller, so that's pretty cool. Some things to be aware of: the pairing process doesn't always work the first time, and just like with any tweak, it just takes a bit of patience. But once everything was set up, the application worked perfectly. There wasn't an issue there, so just keep that in mind. Now, a brand new controller will cost you roughly around $60, but I know a used one goes for about half that. Now, I'm not sure if the fake eBay controllers will work for this, but if they do work for the PS3, I don't see any reason they wouldn't work for this, but I haven't tested it, so I have no idea. At any rate, that was it. If you guys liked the video, a thumbs up would be appreciated. And don't forget to comment and subscribe, and until next time, later days.